welcome back to my channel. It's Nisha Babii, back at it again with a hair review. Back at it again with a hair review. Hey. This video is going to go over everything you need to know about headband wigs. All right, so let's get into it. Y'all know I normally don't wear black. Okay, I don't wear black, but I don't know. This hair got me, it's bringing out my eyes, okay? Got me feeling some type of way, okay? So believe it or not, this hair is synthetic. But before I get into all the good stuff about the hair, let me show you the company who sent it to me. Hold on. So this is the packaging, and this packaging looks just like, identical to the other company that sent me Headband Wig. However, they are a sister company, so that's why. But here it is. This is what it came in, and this is, what inch is this? Honestly, I don't know. Let me check my phone. All right, this hair came from Saimisu, and honestly, I didn't think I would like it because it's synthetic hair and because it was black. Now, I know y'all gonna be like, but you wore synthetic hair on another video. And I did. However, that was natural hair. This is like not my texture at all. I honestly was afraid that my baby hairs wouldn't even match. But when I put my edge control on, y'all could see it kind of matches, you know. But I do know some people, they do flip this headband under to put some hair in front. And I can't do that because number one, I'm natural. Number two, I'm not putting any heat on my hair to make my hair look like this. My natural hair color is a number 4. So first things first, I'm gonna show you all the back, and I'm gonna tell you what I do not like. My head is small. I know my forehead is kind of big. Ha ha ha. Whatever. I got a 5 head. Heard it all. Whatever. Brains up here. But I am going to show you because my head is small, so the headband kind of just flaps. But I'm gonna show you a trick. So let me show you what it looks like now. So you see how that's just flapping? That's not cute. So what you can do is take it, I hope y'all can see this, but take it, put it as tight as it goes, right? As tight as it goes. So like this, for me, as tight as I can get it while showing y'all this trick. As tight as it goes. Put under, take your comb, put it under like this, and do like that. It's still there, but you you see how I'm tucking it? You see how I'm tucking it? And that'll help. Now, if you're trying to put this hair in a ponytail and you have that flap, child, I don't know what to do for you. But I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail so you all can see. And the hair is gonna fall anyways to cover it, so really shouldn't be worried. I'm just gonna put it in a low ponytail because this hair is not that long. See? So you see how it doesn't show? So let me get the specs on this hair. I feel like I got, sorry. Let's see. So this hair, by the way, this is what the picture looks like. And this hair is 16 inch. Currently, at the moment, they do not have a longer length, but their I guess cousin company or sister company has a longer length, but it's like a different curly pattern if you want something longer. I also don't like, and I'm still new to this, when you put in a ponytail, this kind of shows. So if I were you, I would like gel it down like a lot. I don't want to do that right now just because as soon as I take these wigs off, I'm about to put another style in my head. But overall, this is the curl pattern of the hair. and it's 150 density, and it's pretty good. I will say after combing it and brushing it a lot, it's not that much shedding, but I will do it on camera for you all so you can see. And I just used this one because I'm still unpacking and stuff from the move, and I'm still trying to figure out where I want to film and looking for certain items of mine. So yeah, let me know if y'all like this. I can brush my earring. Let me know if y'all like this background and stuff in the comment section, because y'all need to talk to me. What's up, family? Y'all need to talk to me, okay? We got some catching up to do. But this is the hair. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend sleeping in this hair. I mean, it's a headband wig. It's created for people who are on the go, so you can just take this off. So the trick I was saying earlier, and I want to show y'all what it looks like under. I mean, look how easy this is. So this is the inside of the wig. And I'm so sorry. Yeah, neighbors are cooking. Whatever they making, it's gonna be real good because they whipping that batter up. So these are the elastic bands. And here is and this is what I don't like with synthetic hair. Luckily this hair brushes out pretty fine, but it'll get stuck to this Velcro. But you see how long this is, and it has this much. For me, this still is not enough, but this is why they have the combs inside to help as well. So there's 1, 2, so the front and the back. They do have side combs right here. Whoa, I think I'm missing one. Oh, there it is. So 1, 2, and 3. I typically don't use the combs. I only use it in the back. And yeah, I don't really use them. I would recommend, if you really want to go that hard, if your head is small like mine, you can put a adjustable band, like sew it in, so you can make sure that thing don't go nowhere. But I have my wig grip on, and it's holding it pretty tight. And another thing, if you have a little head like me, my wig grip flaps. So what I usually do is I'll just tuck it like this, or you could bobby pin it, whatever you want to do. But just a little tip. So yes, I do like the hair. It's cute, and I like it. You know, it is a little shiny, but if you want to get rid of that shine, I've seen where some people say they put baby powder on there. Honestly, I haven't tried it, but if that's something y'all want me to do, I can. But honestly, I probably won't be wearing this wig that much unless I really don't have a style to do in my head, or I am going to the gym. I'm just be honest, and I don't want to go to the gym, you know, with my straight backs on. So that's that for this wig. I can try to show you the flip, because I did get a headband with this as well. So I'm gonna show you what I've seen people do. Well, I remember mentioning earlier that people usually put the hair on, but let me just show you. So I'm putting this on. I mean, this hair is just gorgeous. And this earring about to come out too. There we go. Like I say, you take this Velcro, put it as tight as you can. See? To the other side. I'm just moving all the hair outside of the Velcro, like where it's supposed to be. Oh, taking it, and I'm putting it as tight as I can. So that's as tight as I could put it. I wish it could go tighter, but it can't. So I'm going to take the wig. I done put the comb on it already. I'm so used to putting wigs on, just sliding the comb immediately. But I'm taking the comb out, sliding this under, putting it under, and now I hope you can see this. Sorry, Now I'm flipping this under, tucking it just like that. I hope y'all can see that. If you can't, I'm so sorry. You can always message me in the comments or hit me up on my Facebook and Instagram page. I will be sure to put information there for you all as well. And I like this little flip. So yes, all right, let's get on to this headband they gave me. This is actually a cute headband. One of my favorite colors is yellow, so I am grateful that they sent this to me. So I'm just gonna put it on like this for first. And some people I've seen, they take this and they flip it under. And this is what I was saying, if your texture matches this hair, you can flip it under and then have some of your hair out in the front to make it look more realistic. But now that I've flipped this under just a little bit so it's not as thick, I'm gonna slide this up. Ooh, earrings. Slide this up, make sure I'm pulling all of my hair out from the back so it don't get tangled. I'm gonna adjust this like I want it. Honestly, I don't know how this look. I'm about to see. I mean, I guess that's cute. That's cute. So she feeling herself. Oh, who said you can be cute on a budget? Y'all, this wig was $17.99. $17.99. If you are not sure about a headband wig and you want to start somewhere but you don't want to get like cheap hair where it looks cheap and it feels cheap and it's not acting right, go ahead and start with this, you know, because this hair is cheap and it's cute. And honestly, $17.99 is a little tangle. You can't really beat that, not that I know of. And if you know a company, put them down here below so I can hit them up. But yes, thank you so much, Saimisu, for collaborating with me yet again. I appreciate it. I really didn't think I would love this wig, but I do love it. And I mean, for what it's worth, this cute. I wish I could wear this headband to work, but I can't. So, oh, y'all, get into it. All right, moving on to the next wig.